Dusting hacks. 20 incredibly effective tips and tricks to get rid of dust for good. Having less dust at home leads to happier and healthier people, but conquering it can feel like a battle against windmills. We found some incredible tricks to help you combat dust in every household. Clean quickly, efficiently, and, most importantly, easily and inexpensively. Take a look. 1. Moist wipes. Moist wipes are an indispensable tool for any cleaning task. Don't hesitate to use them on keyboards or laptops. Just flip, shake off crumbs, and wipe. The result will be fantastic. 2. Fabric softener. To prevent dust from settling on surfaces, try this solution. Mix 1 part fabric softener with 4 parts water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and clean whatever you need. Shelves, furniture, glass, mirrors, and even your TV screen. 3. Fabric gloves. A pair of ordinary fabric gloves can help when cleaning delicate surfaces. Easily clean chandeliers, lamps, glass accessories, and figurines. The fabric collects dust, making cleaning much easier. 4. Soft brushes and bristle brushes. For hard-to-reach places, soft brushes and natural bristle brushes can make cleaning a breeze. Even the details deserve your attention. 5. Old socks. Put a clean old sock on your hand and quickly clean dust on blinds or shutters. Slip it onto a mop and effortlessly remove dust under the bed or furniture. 6. Toilet paper roll. This small item is essential for every vacuuming session. Slide it onto the vacuum cleaner hose and clean even the most inaccessible places. The cardboard bends easily, making it simple to adapt its shape and clean everything. 7. Top to bottom. To prevent dust from falling from one surface to another, wipe from top to bottom. Doing this makes cleaning much quicker and less labor-intensive. The order is simple: lights, fans, tops of doors, and finally, nightstands. 8. Humidity level. Maintaining a humidity balance of about 40 to 50% often prevents large amounts of dust from accumulating. 9. Knickknacks and souvenirs. To prevent rapid dust buildup while ensuring easy cleaning, minimize the number of souvenirs and small items you keep at home. The less you have, the cleaner your home will be. Reserve valuable pieces in closed glass cabinets. 10. Curtains. Curtains and blinds are often forgotten, even though they are literally covered in dust, especially if they are synthetic. If you want to get rid of dust, get used to having closed windows at night. 11. Clean plants. Indoor plants act as the lungs of your home, helping combat dust. Regularly washing all your plants in the bathroom will make them more effective in cleaning the air. 12. Clean carpets. The fewer carpets you have, the less dust there will be. However, if you choose to use a carpet, make sure it's small and easy to remove. Vacuum it at least once a week, and steam clean it once a month. This prevents dust from accumulating in the deepest layers of the fabric. Synthetic fabric collects dust. 13. Fabric surfaces. A sticky roller is excellent for cleaning lampshades, decorative pillows, and other fabric surfaces. 14. Wet cleaning. If you frequently perform wet cleaning, your home will look much tidier, and the air will be pleasant to breathe. Water removes 90% of dust. If you have to choose between dry and wet cleaning, definitely choose the latter. 15. Store casual clothing in sleeves. Clothes, blankets, guest pillows, woolen blankets, all of these are the main sources of dust in the home. To minimize the amount of dust, store such items in special cases or bags. 16. Alcohol for light bulbs. You can remove dust from light bulbs with alcohol. Just wipe them with a damp cloth and let them dry. You'll see the difference. 17. Polish properly. Always apply polish, wax, or paste directly to a cloth. Otherwise, the opposite effect may occur, and dust will accumulate faster. 18. Clean filters. The less frequently you change filters, the more dust will be present in your home. If you use vacuums and ventilation systems with dirty filters, they will send dust back into the air, accumulating on surfaces. 19. Microfiber cloths. A good microfiber cloth can work wonders. Not only does it collect dust from surfaces, but it also prevents tiny particles from immediately re-entering the air. Attach it to a mop with a rubber band for easy use. 20. Share and learn more. Stay tuned for more interesting ideas and inspirations. Share your cleaning tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for daily inspiration. Keep your home dust-free with these clever hacks.